a difference between nocturnal and awake bruxism. You've seen people as you've been sitting in boring meetings where their masseters bulge, their temporalis throbs. They put your fingers on it, it sticks out about a ½ inch on either side. That's bruxism when they're awake. They're sitting there bored or irritated or frustrated, and the teeth are together and they are clenching usually. Nocturnal is easily measurable. As we have just learned in recent months, we can do essentially a bruxism sleep test and find out what's happening at night. In the daytime, however, it's a little bit different. Patients have to be advised whenever they find themselves clenching their teeth together or sliding their teeth together, they can consciously stop it. I usually tell them, stick your tongue between your teeth, and you're not likely to bite down too hard. And it usually satisfies the awake bruxism challenge. It's quite well known that both men and women have nocturnal bruxism, and that the awake bruxism seems to be more predominant among women. It's been related to a number of different things. Some would say it's anxiety and psychological stress that creates the awake bruxism, but we see a lot of other factors that are involved. Well, there is a difference between nocturnal and awake bruxism, and it relates to your treatment, doesn't it? If they're a nocturnal bruxer and that's it, period, an occlusal splint that they wore all night would be wonderful. If it's an awake bruxism, I would usually suggest to them that they place the splint in primarily when they're in a time of psychological stress, and we all know what they are. So yes, there is a difference, and both of them are amazingly abusive to the human dentition or to the restorations therein. And for continuing information from us, please go to our website, pccdental.com. There are constantly changing informational and educational pieces there that we would love to have you see.